Friends, let's ready to learn capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with partially filled dielectric between the plates. For this, we required a capacitor of plate area A. Let the plate area of the capacitor is A is the plate area. Distance between the plate is D. Let the distance between the plate is D. Now these two plates are connected across a potential source V. So charge Q will be moved from one plate to another side. So plus charge will be here and minus will be here. Let us place a dielectric between the plates. So this plus charge, due to this plus charge, this will start polarizing. It will polarize here. So here we have minus charge, here plus charge, minus plus, so minus plus, minus plus. Electric field plus to minus, this is E naught outside. Inside we have EP, polarization, direction this side. EP is this side and E naught is this side. E naught is greater than EP. So we have E is equals to E naught minus EP directed this side. So here is the electric field. Here also the electric fields. And inside here we have electric field. This is E. Let the thickness of the slab is T. T is the thickness of the slab. Now potential V is equals to, this electric field is E and thickness is T. So this is E into T plus, here electric field is E naught and E naught is acting between this gap and this gap. So this distance is D and this is T. So this gap and this gap is D minus T. So write here D minus T. Now you know that electric field is equals to sigma by epsilon T. Here electric field E naught is sigma by epsilon naught D minus T. As you know, epsilon naught equals to epsilon equals to epsilon naught into K. So you write V is equals to sigma epsilon naught K T plus sigma by epsilon naught D minus T. Take out the common term, sigma upon epsilon naught. So inside you have T upon K plus D minus T. You know that sigma is equals to Q upon A. So put the value here. This is Q upon A. It is epsilon naught. Under bracket you have T upon K plus D minus T. So this is said to be potential. This is the potential here. Now according to definition of capacitance, C equals to Q upon V. So put this value of V at this place. So you have Q upon QA epsilon naught divided by, you have T upon K plus D minus T here, minus T. So cancel this Q. So you have C equals to A epsilon naught T upon K plus D minus T. Now divide the numerator and denominator of RHS by D. Dividing numerator and denominator of RHS by D. What you get? C is equals to A epsilon naught upon D whole divided by T upon dk plus D upon D is 1 minus T upon D. This is equals to C naught, because you know that C naught is A epsilon naught upon D. So this numerator is C naught and the denominator side write here 1 minus T by D and take T by D common with minus sign. So 1 minus 1 by K. Thus you get the value of C. C is equals to C naught 1 minus T upon D 1 minus 1 by K. Memorize this formula, it will help to solve numerical. Now let us have a special case, that if this is completely filled by dielectric. This means that if you have T equals to D, then C equals to C naught 1 minus, here you have D upon D 1 minus 1 by K, cancel this D, so you have C upon 1 minus 1 plus 1 by K, so this is equals to K C naught. So what you have? You have C equals to K C naught. This equation you have learned in my previous derivation, where you have learned capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with completely filled dielectric. Let us have a numerical. Here is the plate, two plate. Let here we place a dielectric slab of thickness T equals to 3D upon 4, and D is complete thickness. Then in this situation, what is the value of C? Numerical said that. So our question is, we have a capacitor. Inside the capacitor we placed a dielectric molecule or dielectric molecular substance of thickness 3D by 4. Then what will be the capacitance? We know the formula is, this is the formula. Therefore you substitute the value of T, 3D by 4. So C equals to C naught 1 minus 3D by 4D 1 minus 1 by K, cancel this D. So you have C naught 1 minus 3 upon 4, you have plus 3 upon 4K. Take the LCM. So you have the LCM is 4K. Here you have 4K. Here you have minus 3K plus 3. So you have C naught. This C naught, here you have K plus 3 divided by 4K. 4K will move to the numerator side. So you have C is equals to 4K C naught upon K plus 3. This is the answer. Thus you know how to solve the numerical. Okay, you understand what is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with partially filled dielectric medium, and numerical on this, which is based on your NCERT book example. Okay, do like, share and subscribe my channel.